Okay, Sairam once again, and we will be beginning with the reading assessment. I can see a lot of me's in the chat box. So first is Gorik, then Vaishali, Arush, Sanskriti, Anushka. Okay, I'm repeating the first three names: Gorik, Vaishali, Arush. Okay, we will just do the reading. I will share my screen. And Gorik, you will begin.
Ma'am, I have also written in the chat box.
हाँ बेटा I'll see that later. First तीन तीन नाम करके मैं इनको शुरू करवाती हूँ. Okay. Yes. Gorik, you can start. Is it visible, Gorik?
Ma'am, using say
हाँ, using earphones.
yes, ma'am. Using earphones while driving can be far more dangerous than driving under the influence of liquor. Latest research says drivers using these mobile phones as a means of faster day-to-day communications may be heading for an accident. The study has stated the common belief that drinking is a chief cause of majority of road mishaps. Talking on mobile phones increases the risk to one's life compared to driving after being drunk. The findings of the study are based on the survey of several cases of road accidents. In effect, the study of records of drivers involved in 699 such mistakes showed that the risk of accidents for those who talk on phone while driving was at least 4 times higher compared to those driving in a state of drunkenness. The only advantage for those driving with cellular phone was that they could summon immediate help through these phones. The study which relevant for the entire world is relevant for India as well. Here too these phones are being used increasingly for communications and business transaction.
Tell relevant. Gorik, relevant. हाँ
Relevant.
relevant. Relevant होता है उससे connected. किसी चीज से connected होना तो कहते हैं relevant होना. Okay. Yes. Next it is Vaishali. Vaishali, ready? On your camera. Yes, Vaishali and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
Arush.
मैम आपकी आवाज बहुत स्लो आ रही है.
गौरिक मेरी स्लो आ रही है क्या?
नो मैम आपकी अच्छे से आ रही है
हाँ, तो
आवाज.
जिसकी नहीं आ रही मतलब उनके घर पे प्रॉब्लम है. आप चेंज करो अपनी पोजीशन. ओके, 1 second. Yes, Vaishali, start reading this. The umbrella.
Okay, ma'am. The umbrella is an old idea. It has not changed much over time. Old, old sculpture art made with clay from the Middle East shows the king with an umbrella. The sculpture is over 1000 years old. At that time, common people did not have umbrellas. Only royalty had them. More than 2000 years ago, fashionable women carried umbrellas in ancient Greece in China. When only royalty used umbrellas. In old China's books, there are illustrations of umbrellas. These pictures were made with paint, blood, and a special drawing tool. The umbrellas is in old Chinese books look a lot like today's umbrellas. There is not much information about umbrellas in Europe in the Middle Ages. People probably their coats to protect themselves from the rain. People in the South Pacific used umbrellas made of palm leaf leaves to protect themselves from the sun and rain. There have been many improvements to umbrellas. Now, modern umbrellas are better than the old umbrellas. The old umbrellas,
Okay, that's it, Vishali.
okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. Gorik, did you see the attendance? कितनी थी?
मैम अभी 19 है.
And there are 19 students.
19. Okay. Arush, to be ready. Okay. 1 second. तो गौरिक एक काम दे रही हूँ, जस्ट कीप सीइंग कि अगर 21 से बढ़े तो मुझे बता देना, मतलब 19 से बढ़े तो.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. 1 सेकेंड, लोगों को पिन करना पड़ेगा. 1 सेकेंड. अक्षत, यस. Yes, next it is Arush. Yes, start reading this, Arush.
Ma'am, from
Umbrella.
there. Yes, ma'am.
It's visible. The umbrella is an old idea.
Yes, ma'am. The umbrella is an old idea. It has not changed much over time. Old sculpture art made with clay from the Middle East shows the king with an umbrella. The sculpture is over 1000 years old. At a time, most common people did not have umbrellas. Only royalty had them. More than 2000 years ago, fashionable women carried umbrellas in ancient Greece. In China, only royalty used umbrellas. In old Chinese books, there are illustrations of umbrellas. These pictures were made with paint, blood, and special drawing tools. The umbrella is an old, probably used their coats to protect themselves from the rain. People in the South Pacific used umbrellas made of palm leaves to protect themselves from sun and rain. There has been many uh, improvements of to umbrellas. Now modern umbrellas are better than the old umbrellas. The old umbrellas were often made of oiled silk. Modern umbrellas are made up of cotton and plastic. Old umbrellas had ribbons made of wood. Modern umbrellas have steel. Also, the trunk of the modern umbrellas extends like the telescope. It can collapse, collapse, mm, and because shorter and extend and larger,
Become longer.
become longer.
Okay, thank you, Arush. Okay, you're not there in your uniform. यूनिफॉर्म में बैठना बेटा नहीं तो मार्क्स एक्स्ट्रा कटेंगे ओके थैंक यू आरुष so next I'm telling the three names Sanskriti Anushka and Atishay okay all three of you be ready one second I'll just see the names हाँ आई एम टेलिंग बेटा जैसे मेरे कंप्यूटर में आ रहा है उसके हिसाब से मैं नाम बोल रही हूँ ठीक है हो सकता है आपका नाम मेरे कंप्यूटर में थोड़ा देर से आया हो वन सेकेंड हिमांशु इज विजिबल ओवर हियर हिमांशु इज देयर रानी रानी इज देयर सलोनी yes beta yes now this is for you yes Sanskriti this one
Ma'am, from myth,
Amit yes
a myth has been built around the pelican, one of the oldest surviving birds. It is a commonly held belief that the mother feeds her chicks on her own blood. So people have regarded the pelican as most affectionate and deathful bird. The large bill of the birds make it very easy to recognize. It has a short tail, short legs, long wings, and a large tag under its bill. Because of its webbed toes, the pelican finds walking on land difficult. However, it is a delight to watch these birds in flight. The pelican has figured among the largest of birds. It has a wingspan of up to 2.75 meters and weighs between 4.5 and 11 kg. It lives in places with a moderate climate. It migrates to India, Africa, and Iran in winter because its wings do not give sufficient protection against the cold. The brown pelican is the smallest of pelicans. It dives its head long into water for quite a height to get it at its prey. The other six species of pelican have a white plumage. Pelicans are very sociable birds. They travel, rest, nest, and even fish together. The young pelicans take wing when they are about 2 months old. The nests of pelican are from the stores of any food. Therefore, the adults have to fly great distances to get food.
okay great Anushka sorry Sanskriti that's done okay now I would call upon Anushka
Ma'am,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is plumage?
others they have white plumage. Now you should see this in the some biological name probably of some part of that bird. You know which bird they're talking about now? Eh? You know this bird? The speciality of this bird?
Ma'am, it's pelican.
Huh? क्या बेटा?
Ma'am, it's pelican. Pelican.
हाँ, pelican.
Pelican.
Pelican. कौन सी bird है ये? I think in GK long back I had told you about this bird. Is it the pelican? One of the oldest surviving birds. And see, it's supposed to be the most affectionate one. Affectionate means सबसे ज़्यादा अगर कोई प्यार करती है कोई बर्ड अपने बच्चों को तो इट इज़ दिस बर्ड कि वो हर वो चीज़ करती है जो बच्चे के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट होता है ओके नाउ प्लमेज इज
Ma'am, your voice is low.
बेटे बाकियों को तो सुनाई दे रही है वन सेकेंड आई
Yes,
जस्ट
ma'am, there is.
now it's 100%. Now, this meaning of this is the layer of feathers that cover a bird. मतलब जो पैटर्न होता है ना, आपने देखा है कई बर्ड्स के पैटर्न अलग अलग होते हैं, है ना, एक पर्टिकुलर डिजाइन होता है. So they're talking about that pattern of that design of this pelican. Okay, and the colors जो अलग अलग layers रहते हैं, that thing, that arrangement of feathers. Okay, Akshat, it was you, na, who asked this question. It has usually
मैम हिंदी में उसे हवासील कहते हैं।
क्या कहते हैं?
हवासील।
Okay, fine. Okay, the next was Anushka, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so one second, I'll just take one nice paragraph for you. Okay, this one. The system of
The
education.
system of edu- the system of education in our country is defective. It is not keeping pace with the passage of time. It follows the pattern which was valid 5 decades ago. The aim of education is to prepare students for the tough battle of life. The basic needs of life are a sound mind in a sound body and skill to make a living. It widens the sphere of knowledge and builds our character. In short, education should turn out a strong team of responsible citizens. Education has to be related to life and also the needs of the nation. Not gold, but only men of character make a nation great and strong. It is unfortunate that our policymakers give little importance to moral education and noble values. They set up schools and colleges only to turn out an army of graduates good for nothing. We need men with brain, we need good scientists and technicians, we need tough soldiers for the army. Education for all sweet sounds sweet, but mere, mere slogans and schemes on paper won't take us far. Our leaders don't have the will to serve the nation. Also schemes fail at the ground level.
Okay,
I'm
great,
done.
Anushka. Nice. Okay. Next, it is one second.
Atisha.
Atisha. After Atisha, Bhavya, Suryansh, and Saloni. These three will be ready. Bhavya, Suryansh, Saloni.
Okay, ma'am.
One second. Uh, one second. I'll just see how much attendance is there over here.
Ma'am, 16.
एक दिन बेटा. Okay, fine. Yes, Atisha, no? Yes, Atisha, this one is for you. A volcano.
A volcano is a burning mountain with a great hole running deep into the earth. Out of it come smoke, gases, and stones. The mouth of the opening is called the creator of the volcano.
आपको बेटा अगर गला
Vol-
खराब है तो नेक्स्ट टाइम ले सकती हो आप, अतिशय.
no, ma'am, no, ma'am.
अच्छा.
Um, Volcanoes are not always burning. Something a volcano will remain quiet for centuries and then it will suddenly become active. This is called volcanic eruption. When the eruption takes places, great clouds of ashes, dust, gas, and steam rise from the crater. Loud noises come from the crater. After some
क्रेटर.
time,
क्रेटर, हाँ.
while hot molten rock called lava begins to follow down the mountain sides, this may go on for days or weeks. Then the volcano will go to sleep again for many years. Most volcanoes are found near the seas.
Okay, so you're done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone can tell me the meaning of crater?
Ma'am, small bits of asteroid.
Huh? Tell again.
Ma'am, small bits of asteroid.
एस्ट्रॉइड, उसका आई थिंक जो मुंह होता है जो वोल्केनो का, वो
यस मैम, जो उसका मुंह होता है उसके आसपास को क्रेटर कहते हैं।
हाँ, जो वोल्केनो का जो मुंह होता है जहाँ से लावा निकलता है।
मैम अनुष्का को मैच से आया जा रही है। मैम देवांशी के माइक से आवाज आने लगी।
अच्छा बेटा, ठीक है। आफ्टर अतिशय, सूर्यांश रेडी?
यस मैम।
यस, स्टार्ट
मैम
रीडिंग।
मेरी
नो, इट इज सूर्यांश। सूर्यांश, स्टार्ट रीडिंग
मैम
दिस।
मेरे से पहले भव्य।
मैम मेरा नंबर था।
अच्छा, सॉरी सॉरी, भव्य, भव्य स्टार्ट रीडिंग।
यस मैम, कहाँ से पढ़े?
ये a myth has been built.
मैम कहाँ से? मैम वॉइस इज नॉट।
A myth has been built.
A myth has been built around the pelican, one of the oldest surviving birds. It is a commonly held belief that the mother eats her chicks on her own blood. So people have regard to the pelican a most affectionate and dutiful bird. The large bill of the bird makes it very easy to recognize it. It has a short tail, short legs, long wings, and a large bag under its bill because of its vivid size. The pelican finds walking on the land difficult. However, it is a delight to watch this bird in flight. The pelican has figured among the largest of birds. It has a wingspan of up to 275 meters.
Okay, thank you,
And
thank you. Bhavya, thank you. This is what I was telling children. This is what I thought in the GK. Pelican is supposed to be the largest bird. क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी जो विंग्स होती हैं वो सबसे बड़ी होती हैं। मतलब द विंग इसे इट्स रिटन ओवर हियर, विंग स्पैन मीन्स व्हेन यू ओपन द विंग्स ना, तो कितना फैल जाता है वो, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर विंग स्पैन। ओके, सो इट दैट इज व्हाई इट्स सपोज्ड टू बी वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट बर्ड्स। Okay, okay, thank you, Bhavya. Yes, next I will call upon Suryansh.
सूर्यांश।
Start
Yes ma'am. Ma'am from where I have to
here only,
read.
Amit.
A myth has been built around the pelican, one of the oldest surviving birds. It is a commonly held belief that the mother feeds her chicks on her own blood. So people have regarded the pelican as most affectionate and dutiful bird. Beautiful bird. The large bill of the bird makes it very easy to recognize it. It has a short tail, short legs, long wings, and a large bag under its bill. Because of its webbed toes, the pelican finds walking on the land difficult. However, it is a delight to watch these birds in flight. The pelican has figured among the largest of birds. It has a wing span of up to 2.75 meters and weighs between 4.5 and 11 kg. It lives in place with a moderate climate. It migrates to India, Africa, and Iran in winter because its wings do not give sufficient protection against the cold.
Okay,
The
thank you. Thank
brown.
you.
Okay, ma'am.
Suryansh. Yes, Saloni. Saloni, are you there?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, start reading this. A volcano is
A volcano is a burning mountain with a great hole running deep into the earth. Out of it come smoke, gases, and stones. The mouth of the opening is called the crater of the volcano. Volcanoes are not always burning. Sometimes a volcano will remain quiet for centuries and then it will suddenly became become active. This is called vol- volcanic eruption.
Eruptions.
When the eruption
Okay, Saloni, thank you, beta. Thank you. Okay, now there are 20 students. Oh, oh, oh. Gaurik, या सूर्यांश
मैम
नहीं आप ऑफ करो बेटा अपना देवांश
यस मैम
how many students are visible in yours chat this one
मैम 18
18 okay just start telling me the names very slowly
ओके मैम
मेरा नाम मत बोलना
मैम अखिल शर्मा एंजल
wait
जैन
I will search the name in my this one so you have to tell very slowly
अखिल शर्मा
Akshat. 1 second Akshat is there yes next
मैम एंजल
Angel next
अनुष्का
yes next
अखिल
अखिल हाँ है next
आरुष
आरुष next
अतिशय
Atishay next
मैम देवांश नहीं
1 second Atishay is not here अच्छा इसकी अटेंडेंस यहाँ नहीं लगी है
मैम है अतिशय यहाँ पर।
हाँ है राइट
मैम एंजल के 2।
नहीं तुम
मैम आरुष के नीचे।
हाँ ठीक है दिख गया राइट नेक्स्ट
देवांशी
देवांशी नहीं है ना
मैम है
कहाँ पर है?
मैम रानी के नीचे है।
हाँ ठीक नेक्स्ट यस नेक्स्ट बेटा
गौरिक
गौरव यस
हिमांशु
हिमांशु हाँ है नेक्स्ट
प्रत्युष्म
प्रत्युष नेक्स्ट
प्रिंस
प्रिंस यस हाँ
रानी
रानी नेक्स्ट
रिदम
रिदम कहाँ है यहाँ पर हाँ है ठीक है
सलोनी
सलोनी ओके
संस्कृति
सलोनी कहाँ गई हाँ यहाँ गई संस्कृति ओके नेक्स्ट
सूर्यांश
सूर्यांश यस
वैशाली
वैशाली ओके
और युवराज
एक सेकेंड वैशाली कहाँ है ये है हाँ युवराज यस युवराज ठीक है ओके बेटा थैंक यू ओके यस नेक्स्ट who was next after Bhavya sorry after Saloni did I tell the name 1 second इसमें आईज देखते हैं ना भव्य के बाद सूर्यांश सलोनी यस प्रिंस हिमांशु देवांशी okay 3 names are given Prince Himanshu and Devanshi yes now Prince start from here a volcano
is a burning mountain with a great hole running deep into the earth. Out of it comes smoke, gases, and stones. The mouth of the opening is called the crater of the volcano. Volcanoes are not always burning. Sometimes a volcano will remain quiet for centuries and then it will suddenly become active. This is called volcano eruption. Then the then
eruption
Then the eruption takes place. Great clouds of ashes, dust, gas and steam rise from the create loud
Prince, you need a
noises.
lot of practice. Prince, बहुत प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है. ठीक है. Okay.
मैम
Next.
क्या?
बहुत प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है बेटा आपको. बहुत वो था. You were not
Yes,
reading
ma'am.
properly. Do practice at home and see. आप लोगों को मैं ये दिखा रही हूँ. If you search on the net, there are so many passages, unseen passages with answers with questions. तो आपको एटलीस्ट आधा घंटा रोज प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए. ठीक है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इट इज हु? हिमांशु. इसका नाम लिया था.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Yes. Start reading from here. There was a lion.
There was a lion who was the kind of the forest, a king of the forest. He was big, wise, and strong. All the other animals brought him gifts from every corner of the forest. They were afraid of him. King must have ministers to help him. The lion thought one day, and he sent for the fox. You are known to be very wise and clever. I want you to be my home minister. Many, many thanks for this honor, Your Majesty, said the fox, bowing low. Then called a, then he called a partner and said, "You are
Panther.
not
Panther. This word is panther.
very alert and swift-footed. Panther. So, you are known to be very alert and swift-footed. You will be my defense minister. Thank you, sir, said the panther. The next day, the next to be summoned was a crow.
Okay. Thank you, Himanshu. By the way, can anyone tell me the meaning of this? Swift-footed. क्या मतलब होता है इसका? Swift का क्या मतलब है? There is a name of a car also named Swift. Swift
ये
का क्या मतलब होता है?
मैम जो जल्दी से रिएक्शन ले
हाँ.
लेते हैं
Very
उन्हें स्विफ्ट
fast.
फुटेड कहते हैं।
Extremely fast. Okay. Swift. तेजी से. Swift-footed मतलब जो अपने
मैम तो तेज फुट
हाँ.
मैम तेज फुट
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
स्विफ्ट मतलब तेज मैम
And
स्विफ्ट
fast
मतलब तेज
footed.
तेज फुट तेज पैर
अच्छा, मैं इसका नाम मतलब बता रही थी. स्विफ्ट फुटेड मतलब बहुत जो जिसके पैर बहुत फास्ट चलते हो. जैसे आप देखो हमारे बहुत कम
मैम
लोग.
तेज पैर
Then
हाँ.
fast footed.
हाँ. फास्ट फुटेड मतलब बहुत ही जिसके
मैम तेज पैर
यू हैव टू रन. क्या होता है डिफेंस में? डिफेंस में पीपल आर देयर ऑफ आर्मी एंड ऑल. उनका क्या होता है बेसिकली? वो बहुत तेज भागते हैं. जब उनको कभी मौका लगे किसी को अटैक करने का या किसी को बचाने का या खुद भागने का, तो दे आर वेरी फास्ट, दे आर वेरी क्विक. rather people like us are not that quick, isn't it? क्योंकि हम लोगों को आदत नहीं है अपने पैरों को. हम नॉर्मल चलने के लिए तो यूज करते हैं और थोड़ा बहुत आप लोग यंग हो तो भागने के लिए. बट सम पीपल इफ यू सी दे वेरी फास्ट. उनके रिफ्लेक्सेस भी फास्ट होते हैं एंड उनको रिएक्ट भी वो लोग बहुत फास्ट कर सकते हैं. हम लोग सोचने में ही टाइम निकाल देंगे कि भागे कि नहीं भागे. ओके. तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मेंशन दिस. ओके. नेक्स्ट हु इज इट? आफ्टर हिमांशु.
मैम देवांशी।
देवांशी का तो हो गया है. मैंने मार्क्स चढ़ाए हुए हैं इधर. देवांशी प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
यस मैम, देवांशी का हो गया है।
हाँ. ठीक है. यस मैम. ओके. नेक्स्ट आफ्टर देवांशी हु इज इट?
मैम अखिल
अखिल. ओके. अखिल एंड देन प्रीतम. ओके. और प्रीतम के बाद हम स्टॉप
मैम
करेंगे.
अखिल प्रियतम देवांश
ठीक. देवांश का भी हो गया है.
यस मैम मेरा हो चुका।
हाँ. तो आपने आई क्यों लिखा?
मैम मेरे को याद नहीं रहा था इस वजह से मैम।
ओके. सो अब नाउ व्हिच नेम्स डिड आई टेल? अखिल एंड
प्रियतम
Okay, after Priyatam will stop and again I'm telling you, आपका कोई बॉयज का ग्रुप बना है तो उनको कह देना कि नेक्स्ट टाइम लास्ट असेसमेंट होएगा. इट्स ऑन ट्यूसडे ना द पीरियड? ठीक है, तो जो बच्चे रह जाएंगे उनकी लास्ट असेसमेंट है ट्यूसडे को, जो रह गए उनके 0, दैट्स इट। ओके, तो हियर इज इट, यस, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर अखिल।
मैम आप इसके मार्क्स कब बताएंगी?
बेटा बता देंगे आपको, जैसे रिपोर्ट कार्ड में आया था वैसे ही आया जाएगा, ठीक है। ओके, यस अखिल स्टार्ट।
Yes, the system of education in our country is defi- defective. It is not keeping pace with the passage of time. It follows the pattern which was verified decided ago. The mean of education is the paragraph students for the through battle of life. The break needs of life are the a sound made in a sound body and silk to make a living it.
ओके अखिल, आपको बहुत बहुत प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है, आपने खुद ही देख लिया यू कांट रीड एंड इट इज ए पैसेज ऑफ क्लास 6। आपको तो बेटा सेकंड और थर्ड का फिर से वापस रिवीजन करना चाहिए इन दिनों, बिकॉज यू हैव लॉट ऑफ टाइम। ऐसे ही रहोगे तो आप 7th स्टैंडर्ड में क्या करोगे बेटा, फेल हो जाओगे, ठीक है। ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रियतम, ऑन योर कैमरा। प्रियतम, आर यू देयर? प्रियतम, Rhythm, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you start reading because this person is not there. Okay, start reading. What causes the monsoon? Start.
The monsoon, which is essentially the seasonal
Reversal.
reversal in wind direction, causes most of the rainfall received in the India and some other parts of the world. The primary cause of monsoon is the difference between annual temperature trends over land and sea. The apparent position of the sun with reference of the earth. Ma'am, what's that word?
Rhythm, you're not audible. Speak a little louder.
Ma'am, what?
You're not audible, beta. Can you speak a little louder?
Ma'am, your voice
ma'am.
is low.
Okay, what is this word, Anushka? Sorry, Rhythm. This word, the earth.
मैम मैं बताऊं देवांश।
No, no, no. Rhythm, मेरा कर्सर दिख रहा है?
मैम
Yes,
अर्थ
ma'am.
के बाद वाला ना?
Ma'am, may I?
No, let her speak, beta. Rhythm, please tell this word.
Okay.
मैम जो अर्थ के बाद लिखा है वो वाला ना?
Yes, Devansh, can you
मैम मैं
please?
बताऊं?
I'll cut the marks. The one जो दूसरों के listening में बोल रहे हैं, मैं उनको काट दूंगी उनके marks. Rhythm, please read this line again. The apparent position of
Ma'am, she left. Yes, ma'am, she left.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell the pronunciation of that
तो
word?
ये आरुष आप बताओ।
Ma'am, ma'am.
फिर सारे ऑन करने लगते हैं, हम सबके मार्क्स काटूंगी जो अपना माइक ऑन कर रहे हैं। आपका नाम लिया गया था?
Ma'am, Ridan again joined the meeting.
Okay. Yes, rhythm. Is it visible? Rhythm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read this line. The apparent position.
The apparent position of the sun with reference to the earth
Oscillates. Say this
Earth
word, oscillates.
oscillates from the Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn. Thus, the low pressure region created by solar heating also changes latitude.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Anush.
The
Rhythm.
northeast and southeast trade.
Rhythm. Yeah, we have done actually. It's over time now. Okay, I'll give you chance some other time. And Devanshi, आपका mic क्यों on है? That I will tell you later on, Suryansh. Okay. I've got an extra class after this. Okay. We'll do one thing. जो बच गए हैं. अच्छा, by the way, कितने बच्चे हैं आपकी क्लास में?
Ma'am, 32.
30.
Ma'am,
ठीक है.
30. Ma'am,
I'll just
32.
count. Okay. Almost 10 students, more than 10, 14 students are left. Okay, so please inform your friends that next time it will be the last chance. जो बच गए उनके 0. तो आते ही 10 मिनट पहले शुरू कर दूंगी मैं क्लास ट्यूसडे को, रिमेंबर. ओके, 10 minutes earlier on Tuesday it is your second period I think. हाँ, second period 12:30, तो 12:20 मैं पीरियड शुरू कर दूंगी. एंड जो ताकि आपको ज़्यादा टाइम मिल जाए एंड सबको चांस लेना है. ठीक है, तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को बता देना कि आना ही आना है ट्यूसडे को फॉर द असेसमेंट. ओके, बाय देन. सायराम, टेक केयर.
Saira
Ma'am,
ma'am, thank you
thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.